Ukucabanga mina ngazi kanjani ukuthi mawushonelwe umuntu oclose nawe kuba buhlungu. Ingoba nami mangishonelwe umuntu oclose kuba buhlungu enhlizweni, yabo. Mawucabanga mina ngazi kanjani ukuthi uzizwa ufulfilled mawusiza umuntu. Ingoba nami ngizizwa ngifulfilled mangisiza yena umuntu. So izinto ezithile ezenzekayo kimi I assume ukuthi nakuwena ziyenzeka ngobani ngumuntu nawe umuntu, yabo. So ngibheke phike nalenkulumo. Yabona lento ekuthiwa i-business opportunity. I-business opportunity i-based ekuthelini wena usolve i-problem, you become a solution and then people pay you for that. Yes. So muyithola wena usenkingeni ethile at some point. Lonto mele wazi ukuthi chances are akuwena wedwa o-experience lo nkinga, nabanye abantu bayeke bayi-experience lo nkinga noma bayi-experience uma wena uzama ukuyisolve. That is where and when kuqhamuka khona lento ekuthiwa i-business opportunity. Kusho ukuthi musa wena ukungajuli. Le nkinga obhekana nayo iyona business opportunity yakho leyo. Musa uku-overthink ukuthi iliphi business engifuna ukulivula ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona. Futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Nanto engifuna ukutshela yona mfethu mina. Yabo musa azobheka umholo nje kuphela empilweni yakho ukuthi uhole nje. Uhole kanye ensukwini eziwu-30 noma ungahola ka-4 but still isuke dividiwe incane. So ama-multiple streams of income abalulekile vele, yabo. Ngaleyo ndlela ke ngeke uze uyibone into ongafocusile kuyona. Yabo mangabe uhambe endaweni, yabo, you just look at ama business opportunity khona lapho. Uyawazi ukwabona. Yabo, if someone is at i-mall noma in the shopping center or at the shopping center, kuso kukhona izinto azoyibuka lapho omunye ukuthi yabo nje la kune opportunity la kune opportunity. Amehlo akhe, yabo, phela lawa u2 amehlo awaboni lawa u2, lawa wabonayo awaboni lawo. Kubona leli linye, leli elisebenza nge-imagination ukuthi elibuka izinto ukuthi how things could be, yabo, ama-possibilities. Awaboni lawo u2. So mangabe ubuka ngaleliya ubona amanye ama-possibilities wena ongaqhamuka nawo ukuthi yabo la ngaqhamuka ne-business opportunity la. Ngobani? Hayi ukuthi wena nje ubuka nje lento ephambi kwakho nje kuphela. So chances are this problem ohlangana nayo wena, yabo, khona umunye umuntu ayowasha imoto uthola ukuthi uyafisa manje ukuthi yazi ngilambile bekumele ngabe ngiyadla la noma ngidlele noma inyama noma yini, kodwa akakucabanga ukuthi yena axoxisane nomuntu wale car wash ukuthi yazi ngicela ukubeka inyama la kosiwe la, i-business opportunity le, yabo. Omunye uhamba nefoni, le foni yakhe le isiphelelwe ibattery, yabo, e-town mhlambe for an example. Njobe imphelele ibattery nje asacabanga ukuthi yena nabanye abantu kuyenzeka lokho kwenzeke kuyena ukuthi baphelelwe ibattery e-town. That is the business opportunity. You would, oh, okay, la I can see, I can charge, I can even do a survey ukuthi oh how many people abake bahlangana nale nkinga le ngibabuza, yabo. Usungena kwi-business ukuze ubone okay feasible kangana lento engifuna ukuyenza, yabo. Then you actually, yabo, nje umusa lokhu focus kuphela ekuthenini wena uqashwe njalo noma still uyafunda ufocus nje eqashweni nje wena njalo nje, noma ufocus kulo msebenzi ukufocuseni kube ni-consumer. Khona abantu abathi mabefika endaweni bebheka ukuthi yini abangayithenga nje, ababheki ukuthi yini abangayi-offerisha bona, yabo. Mase upolarize umqondo wakho, upolarize le kuleyo side leyo. We-business nawe ungangitshela ukuthi akuthina sonke sisovula ama-business. We-business kuyimanje nje, we-business nje ngoba wena you offered yourself, you offered your service ukuthi wena uyakhokhelwa manje, we are already a business person. whether it's just that nje lapho baku-owner ke uyi-asset yabo baku-owner or freelance but nje uyi-business. You can't tell me, depends on whether they underpay you or they overpay you, but eventually we are in business, or everyone is in business. Ungayikhohlisi nje ukuthi akuthina sonke kumele sibe nama-business. We are in business. Mawuthi kuyimanje wena uyasebenza uqashiwe, we are in business. You are offering your service and then you get paid. Yabo, wena kwakukhona i-choice yokuthi kungathathwa omunye, kwathathwa wena. Yabo, ngoba kwakuthembakala ukuthi uzodeliver. So akuvula amehlo ke mfethu uma uhlangana nenkinga, iyona business opportunity yakho. Wena into esingabe sesiyilindile lapho kuwena, sesingabe sesilinda ukuthi nje ithini athina ama steps akho okuzama ukusolve le nkinga. Business bafethu, it's all about solving ama problems, it's all about solutions mfethu. Yabo, ngeke ngibezwe nje mina abantu la bethi yilo muntu uyayithanda imali this and then, ngeke babone labantu nithi nina ba greedy, bathanda imali ukuthi baphila mnandi kanjani, bayiphatha nento yokuthenga. Yabo, abasebenzi ngale morality le enisebenza ngayo ukuthi hayi siyakhipha kanjena imali nemorality. Bangana nabantu abakhalayo la ukuthi ngagilwa mina. Ngeke ngabona nesticker nje kwenye imoto esibhala ukuthi ngitshala uthando kumila inzondo. Yabo, khona abantu abaphundleke baphelile la emalini. Yabo, angazi noma babethi banikela noma babethi benza njani, kodwa nje bona babethi bayasiza abanye, baphundlekile baphelile emalini. Ayisebenzi morality. Even unikela consciously ukuthi wenzani. Imali nje ayi-obey le mthetho le. Le mthetho le nina humanity enisebenza ngayo. Ngeke ngithi ngine business mina bese ngihambe ngicabangela wonke umuntu lo. Iyasethwa aside leyo nto ukuthi le imali yokunikela le. Yes, eyokunikela le. Charity le. Fila yokuba i-philanthropist le. Hayi ukuthi kuzoba katapa nje, kuyatatwa nje. Fika ubani kuyatatwa nje. Abo, you don't mix business with pleasure. When it comes to money, be streetwise la emqondweni. Abanye ama-business abawiswe yiyo lento engikhuluma ukuthi ba mix immorality nema-principles zemali. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi isintu sithi phansi business. Yabo, so good people, nginivula amehlo la abantu laba aba-offerisha ama-service laba abandayisela amafoni lapha ya bandayisela and ba-capitalize kunina nama-consumers nje. Yabo, kubona. So akekho futhi, ayikho into ezobagweba ngoba abasebenzi ngemorality, basebenza ngeprinciple yemali. They are solving ama-problems. Abaniphoqi futhi niyayela nina kubona. Yabo, and then kube yilokho. So if you are going to mix business with pleasure, that will be your own baby to feed. I'm telling you, for free. So wherever you go, open your eyes. Let me close with this note again. Sisawarita Machati, good people. Sisawarita Machati, if you want to know more about yourself, right? Khona nje channel lapha, yabo khona channel ekuthiwa uchannel 4426. Lo channel labo bantu labo, muna leyo channel nje. Mfethu angikwazi ukuthi mina indaba ungakholwa ukuthi wena umdayisi vele. Muna leyo channel nje, angikwazi ukuthi waye ungakholwa ukuthi wena umdayisi. Uyadayisa ukuthi wena unakile ukuthi uyakwazi wena ukudayisa. You are able to sell your own truth to another person and you are alert ukuthi yini ayidingayo lo munye umuntu. Yabo, echatini lakho. Mawuna lo channel nje. Mawuna channel nje futhi 54 eba 32. Yeah, lapho wena futhi uyi-business wena. Yabo, uyi-business wena. Yabo, so siyawarida ama-charts. Ikhona spiritual abundance consultation. Ubhuka ngelink le la kwi-profile yami la ku TikTok. Noma ungaskena i-barcode le kwi-profile picture yami. Okunye futhi changes Akasha on YouTube. Okunye futhi lokho ukuthi ngomhla 2 May ayangena ama-bookings la soba khona ndawonye 2 May 2026. La sine event nje khona, spiritual event ebizwa nge-Ancient Awakens event. Yabo, so hlangana khona ke. See you there. Danko.